Hey guys, it's Miss Donehoo again. I'm going to show you guys today how to access your class notebook. This is going to be really important moving forward because we're going to have a lot of assignments in here. Things like class notes that are going to go in the grade book, do nows, a lot of our writing, our exit tickets are all held in your class notebook. It's kind of hard to find for the first time, but once you've got it, you're going to be able to find it a lot. And you actually have your first assignment in your notebook due today. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through how to get there really quickly, and then that's all you have to do today in terms of instructional video. So we're going to click Microsoft Office 365 and ClassLink, and we're going to go straight to Teams. When we get into Teams, it's loading. We're going to make sure that once we're in, we're actually looking for our literature class. So for some of you, it might come up like this, 1B literature. Some of you might have to go back out where it says all teams, all right? But here's what it's going to look like. At the top, we can see all the options. Some of you have already completed assignments where it says assignments. Some of you have seen a lot of the posts on our main feed right here. But for the purpose of today, we are right here where it says class notebook. I hope everyone can see my mouse that's going around class notebook. All right, so we're going to click open navigation panel, which is this button right here, and it'll pop open with a list of a bunch of our classmates and a bunch of people. All right, you can click on your name. So if I'm Christian, I will click here and I'll see that it says class assignments. For our first assignment, I am going to go ahead and tell you it is in the class assignments tab. So you're going to click it, and what will happen is you'll get your first assignment of the semester, which is this letter to Miss Donehoo. All right, so the whole assignment is right here. It gives you everything you need to know of how to write this letter to me. All right, it gives you a rubric. It should be at least 3 paragraphs. It should start with Dear Miss Donehoo. All right, your first paragraph is going to be all about you. Tell me about your family. Tell me about places you've lived, your pets, your jobs, where you've been, where you've traveled, sports you like, hobbies you like, music you like, talents you like, all of these things. What do I need to know about you? All right, the more detail, the better grade. Be very specific. Paragraph 2, you're going to tell me about you and your relationship with the subject of literature. So tell me if you like literature. Maybe you hate it. Maybe you're more of a math and science type student. What do you like to read? Do you like to read at all? What movies have you enjoyed? What genres do you like? What kind of art and music are you interested in? What are your interests outside of academic classes? How do you learn best? This is very important. All right, I know I've asked you guys this already, but I really want to know how you learn because that's going to help me as I create lessons for you moving forward. All right, that third paragraph is going to include information about your goals. All right, I want you guys to think a lot long and hard about the fact that this is going to be my first chance to look at your writing. It's going to tell me everything that I need to know about you as a writer. And if your writing is poor, I'm going to know we got to work to get better on our writing. Maybe you're a wonderful writer and I'll be able to see that in your letter to me. All right, again, this is worth a 100 on a summative assessment. Here is everything that I'm looking for as I grade these letters. You will scroll to the bottom where it says begin your letter below, and you will start typing. All right? When you're done typing, you do not need to click submit. You don't need to click save. It'll automatically be there for you waiting, and I'll be able to check it anytime. All right? This assignment is due by the end of the week, so everyone is going to be turning it in by Friday. Please, please, please reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help. Good luck.